want a back to top button on your site without using plugin? Let me show you the easiest way. So first of all, open your page in Elementor. Now scroll the bottom. Now I'm open the footer section in an edit mode. Now drag and drop button in the footer section. Go to the style, use the position in the right, and then go to the content, change the text and use the icon. You can change the button background color, or you can increase the size of the text like this. You can style it easily. Now go to the content and here's the link. After hash, use a text top, top. Okay, then click the publish button. Now go to the topmost section and select it. This is our first section. Now I'm click on the section and go to the advanced. Here you can see class CSS ID. Here use plain text top and click on the published. And now I'm going to open it in preview mode to see the scroll effect. You can see when I'm click here, it will scroll in the top. Do you want button always visible while scrolling? Then again go to the edit mode and open the footer section. Click the button to the advanced and here you can see motion effect. Click here and sticky bottom. Now you can see the button is always show while you scroll. You can use any animation here, like here's the entrance animation. You can use it fade in or you can use zoom in. So now I'm click published and now let's see in the preview mode. So this is how you can use. So this is how without any plugin you can back to top button. That's it. No plugin needed. Just a clean back to top button using only Elementor. If you like it, if you like this trick, like the video and hit the subscribe for more. Thank you.